Welcome to a Math-Matic Monday. We are in week 5 of learning. So this is the last week that we're going to really be focusing on addition, and we're going to start transitioning to focusing on subtraction starting next week. So up here, we're going to use the make a 10 strategy to add. We're going to name that number, matching the number to the word form. And down here at the bottom, all the way down, we're going to do greater than and less than and equal to. So we have some that are in standard form, and here we have one that's in expanded form. So we're going to have to figure out what that number is and compare it. So when we go back up to make a 10 to add, we have our examples. There's a lot of fill in the blanks here. So for the first one, we have 36 plus 5. Now, of course, I could do 36 and count 37, 38, 39, and use my fingers to count up 5 times. Or I can use my knowledge about 10 to help me do this mentally. So 36 plus 4 more will give me the next 10. Because 6 plus 4 is 10. And here I already have a 10, and there's 3 10s for 30. So 30 and then another 10 would make how much? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 100 is a special 10 because it's a group of 10 tens. So here 30 is where I am, and then 6 plus 4 gives me another 10, so that would take me up to 40. Now here's the 4 that I used out of the 5. How much more do I need to make 5? 4 plus what will give me 5? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the one I need here. Remember we did 36 plus 4? 36 and 4. I needed one more to make that 5. So there's the one more that's missing from the 36 plus 4. So that's going to equal 41. And look, 36 plus 5, well, now we know that that's 41. So for those of us who like to use the count up strategy, you could have done 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. You could have just used your fingers. Mentally, you can use a 10 to help you add. So let's look at the next one. Here, I have 9 that I'm adding. So this make a 10 strategy will be a lot better to use here. Here I just had 5, so I could count up. Here I have 9. So 85. How much more do I need to get to the next 10? 85, and the next 10 is 90. So I just need 5 more to get to 90. Because 5 plus 5 is 10, and 80 is already a 10. 80 plus 10 is 90. Now, how much more do I need to get to this 9? 5 plus what gives me 9? 4. I need 4 more. 5 plus 4 is 9. So now that I know that 5 plus 4 is 9, I know 4 is what's missing here. See here, this is the 5 plus 4 that equals the 9. But mentally, I can make 10 if I know how to make 10. So here, 90 plus 4 is 94, which means 85 plus 9 is 94. Those of us who like standard algorithm, you could just do it this way. 9 plus 5 is that 14. We know this is the 10. 14. We know this is the 10. And then 9. See? Same answer. Math has multiple ways to solve. That's why it's so beautiful. Here, 49 plus 8. This is another number that's higher than 5. So counting up on our fingers might not be the best thing to do here. So 49 is close to what 10? What would the next 10 up be? 50. So I need one more to make 50. Oh, this is all wrong. 49 plus 1 is 50. And then this would be 50 plus, how much do I need to make 8? I already used this 1 here. What do I need to make 8? 7 more. 1 plus 7 equals 8. So 50 plus 7 equals 57. So down here, oh, that is 49 plus the right one. 49 plus 8 is 57. So down here, we are doing name that number. So I want to match the number to the word form. So let's start by just saying what the number is. 174. So I need 100. 70 is not here, but I do have the 7 from 17. And then 4. Let's do it. 170. It's just TY for the like 90 and 70 and 60. TY. 4. Our next number, the way we say that is 691. So I don't have 6, but I have the 6 from 60. So I can do 6, same 100. 90, which is right there. And 1. That's the same one we had up there. And here, the way we say this number is just 60 and 8. So there's actually all of 60 here. 8 I have within the number 18. So I can say 60 and 8. You're such a genius. I know you got that. We've been doing a lot with Name That Number, so I know you've probably gotten that. Down here at the bottom, we have greater than, less than, and equal to, which is what we do to compare numbers. So I have to look at the place value to compare the numbers. I'm going to look at the largest place value. 200 here and 200 here. They are exactly the same. So now I'm going to look at the next place value, which is the tens place. 50 here and 50 there. Those are exactly the same. In my ones place, I have 4 here and 6. They're different now. So which one is less and which one is greater? Which symbol would I use? Would I use the sign that opens up to the bigger number? Is this the bigger number? No. Would I use the sign that is smaller? Is this the smaller number? It is the smaller number. And we know they are not equal because I have 4 in the ones place here and 6 in the ones place there. So they are not the same. Now let's go to our last problem for this Math-Tastic Monday. Right here, I have 400 plus 50. This is an expanded form. So I have 400 in the hundreds place. Here, let me move this up a little bit. I have 400 in the hundreds place. I have 5 tens in the tens place. And if I look here, I have no ones. Nowhere else do I have ones. So I'm just going to put 0. So now I know this number is 450. And I know this number over here in standard form is 455. Well, which symbol would I put? Is 450 greater than 455? Think about the process we went through up here. We looked at the hundreds place. We looked at the tens place. And then we look at the ones place. So this one is greater than this one. This one is less than this one. So I'm going to put the less than symbol. See how it's on the smaller side? This one was less than 2. See how it's on the smaller side? Wow, what a Math-Matic Monday. You all did an excellent job. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.